How to remove email in Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your email. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see your profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. Now here on the right hand side, you can see the settings icon. Tap on settings. Now here in the settings interface, here on the top, you'll be able to see this account security. Tap on account security. So these are the details that you have given to Temu. Now in order to edit or delete it, here you can see this edit button. Tap on edit. Now in order to edit it, you must enter a new email address. So enter a new email address in order to edit it and simply tap on continue. So a verification code will be sent to your mail and you can directly link or remove the older account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.